29 Celsius. Dew point 17. Altimeter 3011. Remarks. Density altitude 4,800.
Attention all pilots, construction on the field. The southern portion of the ramp area is accessible via back taxi runway 1. Fuel services are available.
Twin County Airport. Automated weather observation 2015 Zulu. Weather. Wind 300 at 5. Gusts 14. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point 17. Altimeter 3011. Remarks. Density altitude 4,700.
Okay, this is a Mosquito helicopter. It's got a Rotax 503, 50 horse. It's a dual carb, dual ignition. As you could hear on the AWOS report from our local airport, the density altitude is 4,700. The temperature is almost 30 degrees Celsius, 29 degrees Celsius, which is about 96 or 97 degrees. So anyway, Chris here is the owner. Tell him what your weight is.
I weigh 215.
215 pounds, plus he has to put some ballast back here to keep it right. It's about 15 pounds of ballast. So it's equivalent to lifting a 230 pound pilot, density altitude of 4,700 feet, temperature of approximately 95, 96 degrees, 29 degrees Celsius. So here he goes.